This is where Mexico City was born.
Hey Remarkable Lifers, today we're exploring the ruins of El Templo Mayor, the major temple of Tenochtitlan, the city that the Aztecs built on the lake on which Mexico City is now built. It's amazing.
Absolutely amazing.
Hubo un tiempo en que tú creíste que tenías el mundo a tus pies, tanta gente en tus manos, sin nunca dudar de quién eres. Seducir es tu gran adicción, si es llorando o riendo da igual, son así tus palabras, muerte lenta para un corazón. El día llegará que no encontrarás ni siquiera un alma perdida. Perdida.
So the ruins of this is right in the middle of town, and the Spanish used this, tore it down, used it to build the surrounding areas when they conquered. So really, the cathedral, the whole town around here became the monument to it. It's really interesting. This is right in the middle of town.
Wow, look at the turtles.
Yeah.
So that is the original page.
And what does this snake represent? The snake represents
So they believed that this temple was the center of the universe.
Wow, look, this is one of the layers.
Yeah.
Wow. It had what, 7 layers, it said? This is the 3rd layer. So they just kept enlarging it by making different layers and building over it. This is one of the first layers. And here we go. I'm pretty sure these steps are new. But we come up here and you get to see down into the shrine. The shrine of Huitzilopochtli. I'll let you do that. North patio. And this is about to get interesting, I have a feeling, because we're going underneath. There's a reason it's sheltered. It's probably very archaeological. Look at that, underground plumbing. I'm glad I did that. Layer 2, the house of the Aguilas, house of the Eagles. I think it's house. It's a house. It's houses.
Housing. Yeah.
Yeah, this was House of the Eagles, so I'm sure it's a wealthier person's house.
Look
But
at the carvings and all
Yeah.
the reliefs there. That's what I love about Chichen Itza, because you can get right up to the carvings and
Yes.
the reliefs. It was I got so many nice pictures. See, there's more reliefs on the bench there. Oh, on all the benches. Look at the reliefs all around.
all
Yeah,
around
yeah,
it.
they go all around.
Wow.
And that's
Wow. It's fascinating.
Okay.
That first building that had the shade over it, that was the Casa de las Aguilas.
See.
Yeah. So yeah, that's where that was from.
Look at his heart opening.
It's his liver.
It's fine.
It's his liver.
Oh, is that?
That's his liver. Well, that was your luck. You know I would have been the medicine man or the king or...
Yes.
Yes.
I was a leper. Things kept falling off of me.
And KJ was God. I'm joking.
I would have been a god that was sacrificed. Early sewers. Sewer pipe. Manhole. Collected the you-know-what.
So we just got out of the museum of the ruins here at Tenochtitlan. I mean, I'm literally speechless.
Right?
I have never seen such an amazing collection of artifacts and the way that they present the stories and the history, and it's amazing. It's absolutely beautiful. It tells the whole story of how it was found, the different iterations of the temple here. And something I found really interesting is from the time Tenochtitlan was founded until New Spain came in and conquered, it was only 200 years. That's a very short time frame.
Mm-hmm.
It's amazing. Definitely come see this.
And the part that I find interesting is that, there's such a depth of history here. But, we really have that up in the northern United States with Native Americans. It's just that none of it was destroyed. It wasn't preserved.
Well, it was the materials were wood and dirt.
And the materials were,
they just didn't last like this.
Consumable type things, and they didn't last, where these were something that could be discovered later. So it's a shame that any kind of history is lost. It helps to know where you come from.